When I started talking about Kundalini awakening, levitation, nobody believed, but it has become science. We will evolve, it has become more powerful science. When I started talking about Nirahara, nobody believed, but we have traveled long way. Relieving people from solid food itself is not a joke. Still we will evolve. Same way, when I am talking about this science of keeping the body as it is in Mahasamadhi, many may not believe, but the non-believers are our inspiration to make it happen. Believers are participants, non-believers are spectators. Both are needed for something to become happening. Believers become participants. Non-believers remain as spectators. You need spectators for any demonstration. Even though they are not rewarded, they are needed. Otherwise, to whom will you demonstrate? Spectators are not completely wrong. You need them. Otherwise, to whom will you demonstrate? Even in the game, you need spectators. Otherwise, for whom you will play? Even though they are not going to be rewarded, other than that Coca-Cola and popcorn. No. Pisa is sacred from now onwards for Dhyanapeetham. It has achieved certain sanctity because of all the openings it has done. Okay? It has achieved certain sanctity because of all the openings it has done. Very casually only we start. See, this Kundalini awakening, we started very casually. But scientifically we have given already breakthroughs. And still we need to put little more people and study deeper and deeper with so many scientific studies and connecting with the traditional sutras and everything. But we have started the process. Same way, this integrity and authenticity. Me following the routine on time. We started, but you don't know how many beautiful things are going to flower. Now I am taking it to the next step. Next step means morning 1 hour, Mallakamba, the pole yoga, all heavy yoga, all ashramites. So outside the Vaidyasarovar Akada will be created. Now all that people will practice morning 5 to 6, then jump into the Vaidyasarovar, 6 to 6:30, and after that on the banks of Vaidyasarovar itself, every day I am going to start doing my morning puja. Then after I finish my morning puja, I come and sit here for the Pada puja. Then the routine starts. You will see lakhs, hundreds of thousands will gather every day just to see the morning my puja and the Pada puja done to me and the satsang. Not just on two-way, even physically, not after too many years, very soon. We will take the signs. We will take the signs to the next level. How many of our kids are able to do that pole yoga, Mallakamba? Wow. Even girls, raise your hand. How many? Oh, rope. Girls rope. Okay. For boys, Mallakamba. Wow. Pole yoga. By Gurukul kids. By Gurukul kids. It's very easy. Now just you have to remind your body the different possibilities. I am also going to do. No, really. No, I wanted a akada, beautiful akada, a large space for people to practice yoga on the banks of Vaidya Sarovar. People to practice yoga, this Mallakamba and archery, the most fine fitness instruments and machines of the international standard, because all four put together is yogic body. Well built physique, the shape, the muscles, high flexibility like a rubber, and stability. When you put your leg, even elephant should not be able to move it. And energy. Does not even know the word tiredness. All these four will happen only when you put all the Western fitness training machines, yoga, Mallakamba, Kundalini awakening. When all four put together, only you can have a perfect yogic body. You know, the moment you have the Kundalini awakening, tiredness disappears, sleep disappears. So all four put together, energy, flexibility, stability, physique, put together is yogic body. We will create ideal yogic bodies for ourselves. So beautiful, huge akada. We will have it very soon, where we will have everything, all these available. Stability can be called as stamina. After I said, Mother can look and order pizza. What happened? Next. The next satsang. So now, I'll move to the next segment of the morning satsang, Dialed Avatar. I'll continue on pizza story tomorrow. And Kathopanishad after the pizza story. Because this has come as a branch story. See, Mahabharata has hundreds of branch stories. Like that, in Kathopanishad, it has come as a branch story. It's brand story also.
தலை கணிந்து தலையாலே பலி தலையே நீ வணங்காய் தலையே நீ வணங்காய் கண்காள் காண்மின்களோ கடல் நஞ்சுண்ட கண்டன் தன்னை என் தோள் வீசி நின்றாடும் பிரான் தன்னை கண்காள் காண்மின்களோ கண்காள் காண்மின்களோ செவிதாள் கேள்மின்களோ.
Nityananda here.
Swamiji, I'm speaking from Chicago.
Wow, tell me, ma'am, what do you want to tell?
See, I did IA in December 2009, and I also was with my cousin. Currently, she is very sick.
What is the problem? Can you tell the problem exactly?
Yeah, she has Lou Gehrig's disease, which is muscle problem, which causes extreme weakness.
Okay, I'll meditate for her. Can you send her photograph? Can you send her photograph so that I'll send you some energies, vibhuti or something?
She has done IA. She has done one Kalabhai darshan with you in New Jersey. And she has one question which she asked me to ask you about.
Please go ahead and ask.
She needs some breathing support. And sometimes they have to put a hole in the throat for the tracheostomy to help her breathe. And you were talking about how to use medical assistance and how to prolong till the life all the karmas are gone. So her consideration is what to do, whether this will be prolonging or should
it will be good. No, it will be good and it will be prolonging. So better have it. Get it done.
Have it. Okay. So see, she's going to move in with her son. And there are some rules about do not resuscitate in our country here. So that is like end of life care. And she was asking
which country? In US, the resuscitation is not allowed.
It can be done if the person is willing to have it.
What is exactly the problem with the resuscitation? Can you tell me, explain to me clearly? What it means exactly?
See, suppose the person has like cardiac arrest and then they are revived and put on ventilator support and the life is kind of prolonged till the other organs give way. And see, the patient has to make the decision before.
If the patient is ready to listen to me, I will tell her to make the decision of reviving it. And reviving and keeping it as long as possible.
Okay, Swamiji.
Only when the medical science says now nothing more can be done, the person is dead. Only then you should allow, till then prolong it.
Okay, Swamiji. I will convey the message to her.
Yes,
I will ask her husband to send you the photograph and an email.
I will also meditate for her and support for her life.
Okay, thank you so much, Swamiji.
Thank you.
I will convey
I am with you. Blessings.
Thank you, Swamiji.
I am with you for blessings.
I'm so happy.
Please send the photograph to n.sharing@nityananda.org email ID.
Very good, Swamiji. I will tell her to send it tomorrow.
I am with you. All right. Great. It's time that we start the process of Nirahara Samyama. All the Nirahara Samyama participants, level 3, sit straight, close your eyes, cognize. You became Bidadi Kalpavriksha, Bidadi banyan tree, with its deep roots, fruits, leaves, hanging roots and energy. Namah Shivaya.
Vishwam Darpa
bless you all to become Niraharis. See, only after you complete the samyama, you should continue to be Nirahari. After the first level, second level, third level, you cannot continue to be on no food. You have to complete the samyama. I bless you all who are sitting with us around the world at this moment. 697 places through Nityananda TV and 41 places two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha in 306 cities in 28 countries around the world. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode and enrich with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.